Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we're going to do this very unique crystal and mirror snow globe candle holder. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look using Dollar Tree items, well, just continue to watch and you will see. So guys, if you are not a part of our YT family member, I would love for you to become a part of that. And you do that by hitting the red subscribe button. And then if you don't want to miss an upload, hit that bell beside it and you'll never miss when we upload again. And guys, share this video. Like it. Go ahead, like it first. Like it. Then share it, guys. That's the way we're going to reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. So I started out with four of Dollar Tree clear drawers, acrylic drawers, and I took the drawer part out, and I'm just working with the slide part, the main part. So I'm going to use some acrylic holder glue, and I'm going to glue the 4 boxes together. Now guys, you're going to see me pull the boxes apart because there's a groove on the outside of the boxes, and you want those grooves to be pointed on the outside because the boxes fit really well with that sliding part on the backs on the outside. So you'll see me move things around to get the boxes right where they need to be. So you're going to need 4 of those drawers. You're going to need some of the Dollar Tree fake snow. You're going to need some type of ornaments and stuff from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some lights. I'm using some lights that I had from last year, but I recommend you use fairy lights because the ones I have are clear. The wire part of it is clear, but when it goes into the containers, the box, you can still see it. So I recommend you use the little fairy lights where the wire is very thin. So after I put the box together, I'm going to flip it over, and the bottom side, guys, is the open side. That is the bottom of the box now. And I'm going to put one of the Dollar Tree square mirrors there. I'm going to glue it with hot glue, and then I'm going to flip it over, put some more hot glue down there, and then I'm going to secure it even more with some of the acrylic glue. And I'm just reinforcing all of the corners with the acrylic glue. And guys, it dries superly fast, so you don't have to worry about waiting a long time. I put it together, and as soon as I put it together, I was able to flip it around, do whatever I wanted with it because the acrylic glue had dried fast. And then you're going to just decorate it the way you want. I'm using crystals. I wanted to put the crystals on the inside, but then I realized I had to put the lights in there. So I put teardrop crystals on the outside of the boxes, and that way it looked like up here, from if you're looking from a different side, that the crystals are hanging on the inside. And I made the middle one longer than the 2 side ones. So yeah, Then you're going to see me, I'm going to continue to decorate the box some more. I'm going to put mirror mosaic tiles on the top of each one of the boxes, and then I'm going to put some rows on the sides of the box, leaving the front of the box clear. So guys, you will see me do this, and also you will see me finish up the box and come back to you and show you the finished product. Now you can use a Bath and Body Works candle, you can use a Yankee candle, you can use several small candles. You don't even have to use a candle at all. You can put whatever you want on the top of your box. I did not secure the top mirror because that simple fact is that after the holidays over, you can empty the Christmas scene out and use the box for everyday usage. You can showcase one of your perfumes in it or whatever you want. It could become a display box for you. So the sky's is the limit with this box, guys, and I really like the way it turned out. I think it's very unique. I haven't seen it done before. I'm not saying that it's not out there somewhere, but I haven't seen it. So I like bringing you guys something new. And here you see me using 2 rows of the mosaic tile to put on the sides. And after that, guys, I'm going to show you the finished product. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I genuinely mean it from the bottom of my heart. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers.